Children, carbon compounds, because of the catenation property of carbon, forms many closed chain and the open chains. Now children, closed chain is forming a ring-like structure there as it is shown in front of you. Okay, and another you can have this as straight chain also. So the straight chain is in this way. So covalent between two carbon atom is strong and it is stable also. Okay. So due to the strong and the stable covalent bonds, carbon is bestowed with the catenation power. So it is blessed with the catenation power. Now children, the two carbon atom can be bonded together by one bond, that is called as the single bond, two bonds, that is called as the double bond, and three covalent bonds, that is called as the triple bond. So here the first one, this is, you can see here is the single bond. When you will see ethene, you have like this double bond also, carbon and carbon double bond also. If you remember, it should have four pairs share, right? तो उसको अगर सिर्फ दो ही हाइड्रोजन मिले, सिर्फ only two hydrogen, so what it will do, it will then share the remaining electrons with the carbon only. Okay, so two hydrogen, you will see here it is there, then the remaining two electrons will be shared by the other carbon, and so कार्बन और कार्बन के बीच में डबल बॉन्ड आ गया. Okay, so here we have the example, and if it is एक ही उसको हाइड्रोजन मिला, only one hydrogen is there, then one bond here and then second bond, third bond and fourth bond, there will be a triple bond here. So you have here one bond, this is the single bond, second one is the double bond and third one is the triple bond. So such bonds are formed. Okay, so what is done by the carbon? Carbon ना अपना 4 इलेक्ट्रॉन कहाँ ना कहाँ से शेयर करता है, and for the sharing purpose, if it gets any other element, it accepts it. Okay, हाइड्रोजन मिले तो हाइड्रोजन वन वन शेयर कर लिया, क्लोरीन मिला तो उसके साथ में एक एक शेयर कर. अगर कोई नहीं मिलता है ना, तो वो कार्बन के कार्बन साथ में ही वापस बॉन्डिंग कर लेता है. So you have to understand. So the tetravalency of the carbon atom is satisfied in this way, and this results in the formation of many compounds. Like just give you one example, children. अगर आपके पास एक कार्बन एक हाइड्रोजन वैसा है और क्लोरीन, तो कैसे अलग अलग कंपाउंड बन सकते हैं? लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस. So you have, see here, you have first methane. I'll draw just methane in front of you. So carbon, then हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन, हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. ये चार हाइड्रोजन मिलके यू विल गेट अ मीथेन मॉलिक्यूल. वो मीथेन में से एक है ना हाइड्रोजन भाग गया, फिर एक आ गया. ओके, सो CH4 में से just remove one hydrogen, it will become CH3 and one Cl will come. So here in front of you, it is having the structural formula of chloromethane. It is called as chloromethane. अभी एक और हाइड्रोजन भाग गया तो और एक क्लोरीन आ गया. So you will have CH2 Cl2. एक और हाइड्रोजन भाग गया तो we will have CH Cl3. सब हाइड्रोजन भाग गए तो CCl4. So only एक कार्बन एटम से and two monovalent elements you are taken, just what you are taken, you are taken one carbon atom, with that you are taken one monovalent element hydrogen and chlorine, and how many compounds you can make? You can make 5 compounds. So children, like that, with the oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen and phosphorus. It is able to make the different types of carbon compound in a large number, right? So carbon is making compounds along with oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen. Halogen means chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. And the phosphorus. So now, children, carbon has one more characteristic which is responsible for the large number of the carbon compound, that is nothing but the isomerism. Isomerism means you have seen molecular formula but structural formula will be different. We will learn it. Okay, when we're just going to learn about it, but you will have more than 10 millions of carbon compound in a day to day of it. And then molecular mass also ranges till 10 raised to 12. Right? Now here children, some molecular masses are given. You can see this methane is having just 16. Right? The methane is 16, whereas here you see normal our polythene bag 10 raised to 6. कहाँ पे 6 है और कहाँ पे 10 raised to 6. In between you can see the starch, cellulose, etc. They are so compact, so complex. और DNA का तो 10 raised to 12 तक जाता है molecular mass. So many molecules are present. Okay, so this is what the speciality of the carbon, that they can make the straight chain, they can make the branch chain, and they can do the varieties of compounds are formed due to it. Okay, now let us go ahead with the saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व मोस्ट ऑफ द कार्बन के साथ में कौन ज्वाइंट हो जाता है? हाइड्रोजन. हाइड्रोजन इज प्रेजेंट टू अ स्मॉल क्वांटिटी और मेजर क्वांटिटी इन द कार्बन कंपाउंड. तो कार्बन के साथ में एक उसका एकदम बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, यू कैन से इट एज अ hydrogen. So normally when the compound which contains hydrogen and carbon both, they are called as hydrocarbons. Okay, and these hydrocarbons are the simplest and the fundamental organic compounds. Means fundamental means almost all the organic compounds are made up of carbon and hydrogen. So what is the smallest you know? Smallest you know is our methane, CH4, right? Which contains one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. Correct. Now let us see one more carbon compound, which is ethane. Now how it is? Carbon and carbon, two carbon is there, and remaining all the things are satisfied with the hydrogen. So how it will be? It will be C2H6. So how to write it down, children, all these bondings? What you are supposed to do is, you are going to write out the structural formula. In that, join the carbon atoms in the molecule with the single bond, and then the second step is to use the hydrogen atom in the molecular formula so as to fulfill the remaining balances of that tetravalent carbon atoms. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So you have this is the this is, say if we write down this structural formula, how we write C dash C और एक ये हो गए और बाकी सब rest all are filled up with the hydrogen. So the your line structure or structural formula of ethane will be written as this, as I have written in the red ink. Okay. So if you, the next step, the next one is the propane. So this is how it will look like. So first what you will do, उसके अंदर 3 कार्बन है, so C तो 3 तो हो गए, करेक्ट। तो पहले कर दो, और अभी बाकी के जो भी बचे हैं 3 वैलेंसीज, हाँ 3 पेयर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को करना है शेयर, उस सबको हाइड्रोजन से आपने शेयर कर दो। So use 8 hydrogen atoms in the molecular formula and fill up all the tetravalency of all the 3 carbon atoms. So this is how the structural formula of propane will look like. So is it clear? Can you make of 4? If it is given 4, how will you do? कैसे करोगे? आप पहले क्या करोगे, आई जस्ट शो इट हियर, सी डैश सी डैश सी डैश सी, 4 लिख दोगे। हाँ, अभी इसकी 3 वैलेंसी, हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन, ठीक है। इसके 4 हो गए, इसके सी के आसपास 4 काउंट हो गए, जस्ट काउंट इट, विल हैव 1 2 3 एंड 4। अब ये जो ये वाला है ना कार्बन, उसके तो यहाँ पे भी कार्बन है, यहाँ पे भी कार्बन है, तो 2 तो हो गए। सो हाउ मेनी आर रिमेनिंग, 2 आर रिमेनिंग, तो ऊपर एक नीचे एक हाइड्रोजन लिख दो। अभी यहाँ पे ये कार्बन पे है, यहाँ पे भी 1 और 2 है ही, तो और 2 लिख दो, एक ऊपर एक नीचे। एंड यहाँ पे नाउ द लास्ट कार्बन, इट इज हैविंग ओनली 1 बॉन्ड विद कार्बन, सो उसके 3 आएंगे, तो लास्ट में 3 आएंगे और सेंटर मार्क में सब 2 आएंगे। So if you break up the chain, how it will look like, children? See, if I wanted to write down, this, the name of this element is propane. How will you write down? You will write down as CH3, बीच में वापस CH2, वापस बीच में CH2 और फिर CH3. This you will write in a continuous form. This is the another way of writing the molecular formula. Okay.